Dumadaloy sa ugat ng mga free diver na ito ang pagiging marikit na hanggang sa ilalim ng dagat, kanilang bit-bit. Pero level up dahil ang suot nila, heels imbis na fins. Usuan na yan sa report ni Joseph Moro.
What?
Glamoroso ang kasuotan, plakado ang makeup at may nakakasilaw na rhinestones. Sila ay mga professional freedivers na ready to conquer the stage. Pero ang stage hindi sa ibabaw ng lupa kundi nasa ilalim ng dagat. Ang sayaw kasing burlesque dinala nila underwater with grace under pressure. Ang tinatawag nilang aura freediving may kasamang sining at pagtatanghal.
The burlesque concept was born through a collaboration with me and my friends. It took us a village to be able to pull that off because it's quite an ambitious vision.
Ang kanilang chair dance performance nagpainit daw sa mga lamang dagat. Maingat itong ginawa at pinagplanuhan. Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang safety body.
If you're gonna do this, you have to aura dive responsibly. Dapat magmamaganda ka pero wala kang masisirang sea creatures or maha-harm anything underwater.
Looks can be deceiving.
So, you manage your buoyancy, you have to maintain balance, you have to equalize pa kasi when you're deep, of course, there's build-up of pressure in the ears. You have to train for that as well.
Para kina Geneva, paraan daw nila ito para magkaroon ng ibang pagtingin sa freediving. Joseph Morong nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.